Okay, so in a joke video we saw how to clean the hard drive, but what's inside the hard drive? We will see it now. As you can see, there is some Torx, 8 sides, screws all over the hard drive. And here there are screws that secures the electronics. So first we will remove this, because removing this will not affect the operation of the hard drive usually. I mean, like if you do on a working hard drive and then you're not careful, and with a static electricity you can damage some chips. Okay, so look at this. There is some glue and yeah. So this is the mainboard. As you can see, the mainboard communicates from these pins and these contacts. There is the water inside because I cleaned the hard drive, and this is not a smart move if you want to recover the data. These parts can be changed. Once a storm destroyed my hard drive, and then I just changed this small part and I could recover all the data in my drive, and that was great. So you see there is everything here. There is the CPU inside, a small memory for caching data, and so on. And then like this, where it is? Okay, so this is wet because obviously I washed the hard drive in the other video. So right now I remove the top, other screws, this hard drive is like 10 gigabytes, so destroying it won't be a big loss. Remember, removing the board is not operation that will damage the drive, but opening the drive will destroy it. So see, it doesn't open because it is hermetically sealed. So need to remove the sticker. Yeah. And now I can open, no? Maybe there is some hidden screws. Yeah, here. Here there is an hidden screw. Wait. Where it is? So they do this way and this way. They know if there is another hidden screw. Doesn't come. Where is the another screw? Here. You can feel it with your fingers. Where is the other screw? And here it is. As you can see, it's perfectly dry inside because this part is totally sealed except for this. This is a venting hole. They say don't cover a hole below. This is the venting hole. And I don't know how it works, but it goes like here where there is this stuff, and this stuff, what does it do? I think maybe it's just like the powder, remove the water from the air, humidity, right? Also I think of this. So this is magnetic here behind. Bing. And this is beautiful. It spins. So here it works like this, the hard drive. This is a cheap hard drive. You see, only have one disk, and there is a place for many heads. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, I say it in my language, Italian. So bigger hard drives have more disk. So like you see, each side of a disk is 5 gigabytes. So this drive could be at least other up to 30 gigabytes of this series without any problem. So this one will move to the position required, while this one is spinning very fast, and this one hovers. You can hear, maybe you cannot hear, this one is very near to the surface. If this one there is some dust or hairs, it will be broken, the drive. So you just learn what's inside a hard drive. Thank you for watching this video. Bye. Okay, let's try if I can try to open it more. So first I will remove this big magnet on the bottom. Let me see. Wow! Wow! Oh, this one is glued or is super magnet. Wow! So powerful! Okay, this is a super magnet. This is so powerful. Let me see if I can remove the electronics. And then I cannot remove because the magnet. Okay, so I mean this one just a plug. Let me see. Wow! Wow! This is so powerful. Maybe because there is this screw. What's this screw? No, this screw is just oh, be careful. Okay, let me try with a smaller screw to remove this. Yeah. I remove one. I remove two. And then I remove the third one. There is a fourth one. There is a fourth one. And this goes away. And then, oh, as you can see, this one doesn't go away. So as I said, here there is a space exactly for another disc. So here maybe there is some hidden screws here. So I try. Maybe it's bigger. bigger. Oh, this one? Oh, no. This one just a hole. So here is just a hole. And then this. Will it be just a hole? Also that one is just a hole. It moves, but doesn't come. Also this one feels like it's just a hole. So these two magnets are too powerful. Yeah. Yeah. Let me see if I can remove this. Ah, this one is just... No? It doesn't work like this. So I just wonder if this... Just remove? Just remove. I need to remove this. So
No,
this.
it doesn't work.
This is a super magnet. Let me see if I have a screw driver. So powerful, this magnet. I can't believe it's so powerful. No. Yeah. Yeah. Let me see. Mr. Mainboard.
Maybe it works.
Oh, maybe. It has become higher. Oh, bene. Removing the screws. Yeah. Oh my god, so tight. Yeah. Yeah. So will be separate? No. Would I place these screws for what? For fun? Ah, yeah, because it will be just go like this. So this is the engine. This will spin at 7,200 revolutions for every minute. It's a very fast for a very long life, average life. So here, you see, there is some space. I think like this is for directly read the one side of the first disc. So this is the only disc it was inside. Shiny, a very shiny metallic disc. It's beautiful. And it's shiny. Wow. Okay. Oh, scary. Okay, so this is enough today. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.